Your customers who invest in winter tires. Stash them wherever they can if you aren't storing their other set. We're talking basements, garages, sheds, beside the lawnmower, under the lawnmower, in their trunk for 6 months, you name it. Now, your bays start revealing exactly who stored their tires correctly and who, well, absolutely did not. So let's walk through what you can do for these fine folks next. Let's start with flat spotting. It's one of the most common storage-related problems that shows up after a long winter. Tires that sit too long in one position, especially in a cold garage, might feel thumpy or shaky once they're back on the road. A quick road test or spin on the balancer usually tells the story. In most cases, those flat spots work themselves out, but customers appreciate knowing why the vibration happened in the first place. Next, take a look at sidewall stress. Tires stored upright but squeezed between heavy objects or tires stacked too tall might develop uneven sidewall bulges or stress marks. These aren't always immediately dangerous, but they're definitely worth a conversation. A simple explanation of what caused it helps customers avoid the same mistake next winter. Then there's surface cracking. Cold, dry air pulls moisture out of rubber, and tires stored near electric heaters or indirect sunlight age even faster. You may see small cracks forming across the tread or sidewalls, and it's a classic sign of poor storage conditions. This is a great moment to check overall tread life and talk about whether the tire still has a safe season left in it. Finally, look for bead and rim seat issues. Tires stored on their sides for months can sometimes deform just enough to cause slow leaks when remounted. If you see a tire that won't hold air quite like it should, improper storage might be the culprit. When these issues show up, customers are usually more open to replacement recommendations, rotation scheduling, or maybe just proper storage advice for next year. A quick inspection and conversation can turn a springtime frustration into a solid ticket, and a customer who trusts you enough to come back the next time winter rolls around. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.